As the world grapples with the adverse effects of climate change and environmental degradation, the need for sustainable practices becomes ever more pressing. Green jobs, which contribute significantly to preserving or restoring environmental quality, have emerged as a vital component of this global shift. These jobs are integral to creating an economy that is resilient, sustainable, and inclusive. By focusing on various sectors such as agriculture, transportation, water conservation, renewable energy, ecotourism, construction, waste management, and appropriate technology, green jobs offer a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere economic growth. Green jobs play a crucial role in combating environmental challenges while fostering economic and social development. They contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting sustainable resource management. Moreover, green jobs often provide better working conditions and higher wages compared to traditional jobs. They also spur innovation and create new markets, thereby driving economic growth. Importantly, green jobs can lead to significant public health benefits by reducing pollution and fostering cleaner environments. The agricultural sector is pivotal in the transition to a greener economy. Green jobs in agriculture include roles such as organic farming, sustainable forestry, and agroforestry. These jobs focus on sustainable practices that enhance soil health, reduce the use of harmful pesticides, and promote biodiversity. Organic farmers, for example, use natural fertilizers and pest control methods, which help in maintaining the ecological balance. Sustainable forestry workers manage forests in a way that maintains their biodiversity, productivity, and regeneration capacity. The transportation sector is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, making green jobs in this field essential. These include roles in public transportation, electric vehicle manufacturing, and sustainable logistics. Jobs in public transportation involve the development and operation of efficient mass transit systems that reduce reliance on individual car use. Electric vehicle manufacturers are at the forefront of producing eco-friendly vehicles that emit fewer pollutants. Sustainable logistics professionals work on optimizing supply chains to minimize environmental impact through innovative practices like green warehousing and efficient routing. Water is a critical resource, and its conservation is paramount to sustainable development. Green jobs in water conservation involve roles such as water resource management, wastewater treatment, and the development of efficient irrigation systems. Water resource managers develop strategies to sustainably manage water resources, ensuring their availability for future generations. Wastewater treatment professionals work on processes to treat and recycle water, reducing pollution and conserving freshwater. Efficient irrigation system developers create technologies that minimize water usage in agriculture, enhancing water use efficiency. The renewable energy sector offers a plethora of green job opportunities. Solar and wind energy are among the most promising sources of renewable energy. Jobs in this sector include roles such as solar panel installers, wind turbine technicians, and renewable energy project managers. Solar panel installers are responsible for setting up solar photovoltaic systems that convert sunlight into electricity. Wind turbine technicians maintain and repair wind turbines, ensuring their efficient operation. Renewable energy project managers oversee the development of solar and wind energy projects, from planning and financing to execution and maintenance. Ecotourism is a growing industry that emphasizes responsible travel to natural areas, conserving the environment, and improving the well-being of local people. Green jobs in ecotourism include ecotour guides, sustainable travel planners, and conservation project managers. Ecotour guides educate tourists about the environment and promote sustainable practices. Sustainable travel planners design travel experiences that minimize environmental impact and support local communities. Conservation project managers work on initiatives that protect natural habitats and biodiversity, ensuring that ecotourism activities do not harm the environment. The building and construction sector has significant potential for green job creation. Roles in this field include sustainable architecture, green building construction, and energy efficiency auditing. Sustainable architects design buildings that use resources efficiently and minimize environmental impact. Green building construction workers employ techniques and materials that enhance energy efficiency, reduce waste, and improve indoor environmental quality. Energy efficiency auditors assist buildings to identify areas for energy savings, helping to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Effective solid waste management is crucial for reducing environmental pollution and promoting sustainability. Green jobs in this sector include recycling coordinators, waste reduction specialists, and landfill gas recovery technicians. Recycling coordinators develop and implement programs to encourage recycling and reduce waste. Waste reduction specialists work on strategies to minimize waste generation through practices like composting and reusing materials. Landfill gas recovery technicians capture and convert landfill gas into energy, reducing methane emissions and generating renewable energy. Appropriate technology refers to technology that is environmentally friendly, economically viable, and socially acceptable. Green jobs in this area include roles such as sustainable technology developers, renewable energy engineers, and environmental technology educators. Sustainable technology developers create innovations that address environmental challenges and enhance resource efficiency. Renewable energy engineers design and develop technologies for harnessing renewable energy sources. Environmental technology educators raise awareness about sustainable technologies and train individuals in their use and maintenance. Green jobs are at the heart of the transition towards a sustainable and resilient future. By addressing critical environmental issues while promoting economic and social well-being, these jobs offer a pathway to a more sustainable world. From agriculture to transportation, water conservation to renewable energy, ecotourism to construction, waste management to appropriate technology, green jobs span a wide array of sectors. Embracing and expanding these opportunities is essential for creating a greener, healthier, and more prosperous future for all. As we continue to innovate and adopt sustainable practices, the growth of green jobs will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping a better world for generations to come.